Hello friends, today I am going to show you how we can create an executable jar of an Spring Boot application. So here I am going to discuss with you about four ways how we can create an executable jar. So first I want to show you what all are the methods we are going to see. These are all the methods which we are going to see here. So first we need to see what is this MBN package. What is this MBN package? You can see, sorry, MBN command. You can see here when we create an skeleton of project from Spring Initializer, then Spring Initializer provide us these two files for the mbnw command. So first I am going to use this command which is provided by the Spring Initializer. Here we have to open the cmd prompt. After opening the command prompt, we have to go to the folder where our project is. So I'll go to the home directory of my project. Here, mm, this is now I'll run the mbnw 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 package. So once we will get the success prompt, then we will check if that jar file is really executable or not. So let it complete. Mm, yeah, now our jar file is created. So for that we have to go to the target folder, and now we have to check if this jar is executable or not. For that we will use java s jar. This is our jar file which is created by our command. Let us run it. Yes, it is executable. Okay, good. It's up. Now I'll show you another command which I have here. That is the maven command which we can use for packaging. So in the same way, maven package is also going to work. Another one is -e clean package spring boot repackage. I am going to use repackage. Why we need this? So whenever suppose we have several test cases in our application, if there are any test case has some problem, so ambient package, when we run the ambient package, it is going to execute our test cases if it is working properly or not. If there is any problem in our test case, then that build process is going to be fail. Suppose still we want to package our project, so we can use the third command, that is mbn e clean package. By using this command also you can build your no, we are in wrong directory. So first we have to be back. Mm, okay, now Our build is also completed successfully. You can see here the jar file. That's jar file generated. And the most important, which I want to discuss here, we can build our project using the Spring tool suites. Are This is nothing else, just it's an Eclipse interface which is developed by implementing the Eclipse. So here we can use the run as Maven build. I'm using the Maven build. Okay, one more thing I want to explain here, uh, which I have already configured here. I have provided the command package. So it's didn't ask again. So here, when you will run it first time, then you have to provide some configuration. Okay. In the configuration, you have to provide goal as a package. So that is very important. Whenever if you are running that Maven build at first time, then you have to provide this goal. Okay, that's it. Thank you.